Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a link to your Instagram profile on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on edit profile. Then tap on add link. Next tap on add external link. Then you can see the option of URL, tap on it, then paste your link. After that, you can see the option of tick icon, tap on it. So, this is how you can add a link to your Instagram profile on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.